This is a video of this old Transformers puzzle set. It's in a bag. It has instructions. It makes this transferable Transformer car up to, it says, stand up, transforms from race car to robot and back. I looked up the prices on doing an Amazon search. Prices all over the place. Doesn't seem like there's many listed. I can't really find any listed, but they're giving me similarities. Could be rare. They're giving me similarities of this type of thing, which ranges in all kind of prices. This is an old one. I got it from an old friend of mine who donated it.